Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today we discuss some commands in DOS. Okay, so DOS is actually a CUI operating system, means Character User Interface Operating System. So today we discuss lots of commands which is present in DOS. So go to the computer screen. Today we will discuss the DOS commands. Okay, so go for it. So at first we go the start button and just type here CMD and press enter. So this black screen will appear and here we write our DOS commands. Actually this is a cmd.exe. This is a simulation of DOS. Okay, so at first we write dir and press enter. So what it display? It display a list of files and directories. Whatever the files and directories are present in the current directory, it just display. Okay, if we give dir /p and enter, so it will display the directory. How we can know it's a directory? Just the name of the directory, there is a given dir. Okay, so /p, it will display the directory and files in a page wise, so that's why it's given press any key to continue. So if we press enter, so again it display the rest of the directories and files. Okay, if we clear the screen, just write the command cls and press enter, so it will be clear your screen. Okay, also suppose you write dir /w and press enter, so what happen? It will display all the directories and the files present in the current directory in column wise. Okay, and we have pressed CLS to clear the screen. And suppose we are now C:/user/abcd in that folder, CD folder. Now we go to the E drive, so write E: and enter, so we go to the E drive. Suppose you want to go D drive, so write D:, so we go to the D drive. Okay, now we go for the another command in DOS. Suppose we want to create a directory now. Okay, so the command is mkdir. Suppose we are write example1 2 and press enter. Okay, so mkdir example1 2 means example1 2 is the directory name and it will create by mkdir. Okay, how we can know it is already created? Just write dir enter. So you can find here the example1 2, it is created as a directory. Just see the current 5th April 2020 9:20. So this is the 9:21, just 1 minute ago it is just created. Okay, so if we press CLS, so just create the screen. Another command is there to create a directory. Write md and suppose we are write example23, so it is also same way. Okay, now we want to enter within the directory, so the command is cd, means change directory, and suppose we want to go example23, so if we press enter, just see we are go d:/example123, means we are now example123. Okay, suppose here we want to create another directory, so mkdir, just write suppose q1. Okay, and just we go to that directory cd q1, so we go there. Okay, now we want to go example23, means in that directory, so what happened? We are write cd ... means you just go to the your parent directory. Okay, or suppose you want to go to the D directory again, so again we write cd ... so we go to the D drive. Clear? Now we want to remove directory, so how? The command is rd. Okay, and suppose write example23 enter, sorry, rd example23 enter, so the directory is not empty. Means what happened? It not be deleted because the directory contain another directory. So we first go cd example23. Okay, now we have pressed dir. Yes, there is a directory q1 is there, so first delete that, so rd q1 and press enter. And now if we press dir, so there is no directory is there because there is a given q1. Now there is no directory is there, is empty. Now if we go cd ... and now you want to delete the directory, so another command is also there, rmdir, rd or rmdir. Now here delete example 2.3. Now it is delete. How? If you write dir, so there is no example 2.3 is there. Okay. Now we go for the example to create a file now. So CLS, just create the screen, and what the command, suppose write copy and press con, suppose file name is example11, okay, and press enter. Now you write something. Suppose I am writing it is a computer class, okay, NIELIT, okay, and suppose we stop that, so just press Ctrl Z and press enter. Okay, so one file copied, means the file is created. How will know what the content it has, means what are the command to display the content of the file? So just write type and write example11 and press enter. So it is just print whatever you will write. It is a computer class NIELIT. Okay, suppose you want to add something, so then you just write notepad and the file name is example11 and press enter. So it is open the notepad, and now suppose you want the add today's date, so 05/04/20, and you just save it, okay, and cross that. Okay, now after that what happened? Again we want to display, so type and write example11 and it will display with the date whatever you are edited into there. Okay, now we want to delete the file. Okay, so before deleting we want to see the file in your directory, so just write dir. So there is a file, yes, example1, the file is this example11, okay, because this is not a directory and it is created today, means 5th May and 9:24 PM. Okay, so this is your file. Now what happened? We want to delete it. Okay, so just write del, it's actually 4th April and it's actually the 4th May and 9:24 PM it will create, means it already created. Now we want to delete that file, so command is del and the file name is example11 and press enter. Now if I press dir, so there is no example11 file is present into this. Okay, now go for the another example. Suppose we want to create a folder. Suppose we are write mkdir capital A. Okay, now within that we want to create two other folders. Suppose create dir B, mkdir B and mkdir C. Okay, now within the B we want to create another file, not directory now. So we go cdb and we are write copy con, and suppose the file name is q1 and suppose write computer only. Okay, and we press Ctrl Z. Right, now we go to the D directory, means we just go to the A folder actually. Okay, now we just write tree/f. So what happened? It will display whatever the directories and file within that. So within the folder A there is a two folders, one is B and C. Actually what happened, in DOS we called it is a directory, and in Windows we say, or we called it as a folder, the same thing. So there is a two directories or two folders, B and C, and B contain a file known as Q1. Okay, so Q1 is given into there. Okay, now take another example. Suppose we are write copy con and suppose a file Q3. Okay, and the content suppose write computer course CURAC. Okay, and after that we just save it, Ctrl Z and press enter. And how can view the content? Just write type and after that just write the file name. What is the file? Q3. So it display the content of the file. Okay, now we rename it, means the file name is Q3. If I write dir, so what happened? Q3 is there. Yes, Q3 is there and is a file. Okay, now what happened, we want to rename it, so use ren command, ren, okay. And what is your file name, old file name? The old file name is q3, okay. Suppose we want to create the file as a name example 55, means we renaming the file q3 as example 55, okay, and press enter. Now if I type example 55, so we get the same content whatever within the q3, okay. And if we go to the dir, so there should be example 55, okay, and there is no q3 is there because it is renaming into there, okay. Now go for the another example. Suppose we create a folder at first. Suppose we go at first, we go to the E drive, E column, okay. Now we create a directory here. Suppose write mkdir, and suppose the directory name is, okay. Now go to that directory E2, okay. We create the directory name E2 and we go to that directory E2, okay. Now again we create the another directory here. Suppose mkdir q1 and mkdir q2, okay. Now if I write dir, so what happened? We just get these two directory whatever just created, q1 and q2, okay. Now we go q1, okay, and just create a file, copycon, means we go the q1 directory and create a file within that directory. Suppose copycon, suppose w2, and you just simple write computer and just control Z, okay. That means if we go cd dot, what does mean? We go to the E2, and if I write tree command, tree/f, so what we get? We get that within E2 directory there is a two directories there, q1 and q2. q1 contain w2 file and q2 is nothing. Now we want to copy this w2 file into q2 folder or q2 directory. How? So that's why the command is copy command, copy, and we just write the total path. What is the path? E colon slash, means E is your drive, colon slash, what the folder? E2, okay, slash where the w2 reside, q1 slash w2, so it's your source. And now where you want to copy, so just write E colon slash, okay, and it also E2. Now we want to copy it into q2 folder, so just write q2 and press enter, okay. Now we are just write tree/f, so just it will display both folder contain w2, clear. Now suppose we go to q2 folder, so cd q2, okay. Now we want to del that file, so what do we write? Del w2, right. Now if we again go to E2 folder and write tree/f, so what happened? Only q1 contain the w2, clear. Now we want to move this w2 into q2 folder, so what the command? So this is the command is move command, so write move and write your source. So what the source? E colon slash E2 slash q1 slash w2, it's your source. And what the destination? E colon slash E2 slash and q2 and press enter and just write tree/f. So what happened? Now in that particular example, q1 contain w2, q2 nothing, but after we are moved that, q1 contain nothing but q2 contain w2. Actually the copy command is actually your copy paste in Windows, and move command is actually cut paste in your Windows, okay. Thank you. I hope that you have understood my topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin.